Hello and welcome back to AI Economist. In our latest tutorial, we've made significant enhancements to the workflow for Wear Any Outfit on ComfyUI, which is now titled Wear Anything Anywhere. I'm excited to show you these updates that focus on enhancing the control over both your character and the environment. So be sure to keep watching. Before we start, it's important to address a common issue some users might encounter. You may successfully install a custom node using the manager or by directly cloning it into the custom nodes folder. However, despite this installation, you might still be unable to use it within your workflows. This often results from conflicts between your system dependency versions and those required by ComfyUI or specific nodes. My recommended solution is to set up a virtual environment for installing ComfyUI. By isolating your Python version and dependencies from the system, you'll resolve numerous potential issues. Alternatively, you can opt for the simplest method, using Pinokio for a one-click installation of ComfyUI. While these options may differ in approach, they both effectively address the dependency conflicts mentioned earlier. To begin using ComfyUI with Pinokio, follow this link to open the web UI in your browser. The first time you import a workflow, you'll need to install several custom nodes such as ComfyUI Impact Pack, IPAdapter, and HD nodes. Once these are installed, be sure to restart ComfyUI for the changes to take effect. Now that all nodes are functioning correctly, if you require assistance on downloading IPAdapter models and properly placing them within the ComfyUI models folder, please refer to part 1 of my video for a comprehensive walkthrough. For users with old generation graphics cards struggling to run these complex workflows, consider exploring cloud-based ComfyUI high-performance GPUs. The cost is less than $0.5 per hour. Check out my RunPod tutorial for an easy installation and usage guide. So let's start by understanding this workflow. At the top, we have IPAdapter, where you can apply your custom outfits. Below it, I'm using DreamShaper XL Lightning Checkpoint model, known for its speed and stability. You may also adjust the seed number here to generate a distinct image. Beneath it lies an OpenPose ControlNet processor, which enables altering the character pose using the OpenPose XL2 model, available in the description below, along with a variety of pose images. And this is where we can generate a custom background. I'm employing a simple prompt to create a patio inside a modern house with indoor plants and a balcony. Moving forward, we remove the background of the character and position it above our selected background image. The next section involves blending both character and background. Lastly, in this final group, we handle upscaling the output image and enhancing the face and improving the hands. Now that we've set up the workflow, let's generate the first image and witness it in action. Here's our chosen background. Now, after our character has been produced, its background has been eliminated and the new one has been incorporated. The two images are blended together using a low denoise of 0.3 to only refine the combination without changing much. And this is our generated image without any enhancement or upscaling applied yet. With our upscaling and enhancement processes now activated, here's your final result. The top brown blouse and our skirt remain consistent with the original input images. The character's pose was also taken into account, and our character now has been positioned within the desired background. Now feel free to modify the clothing, pose, or even the background itself by either changing the seed number for an entirely new workflow or updating the prompt to achieve your desired outcome. That's it for today. In future videos, we will explore additional features, such as consistent facial rendering and the ability to alter styles. As always, all links and resources used in this tutorial are available in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video useful.